So the most shocking auction today was not a PSA 10. It was a PSA 1 that sold for $3,250 on auction. What's up, Michael Jordan collectors? Card Gems here. Welcome to my channel. This is today's January 23rd Michael Jordan rookie card market report. All right, let's dig into this. So yesterday, population report for PSA, we had 18,353. Today we have 18,355 total. So we have two new additions. We got one new 8 and one new 4. So checking Beckett, we have 11,569. That's the same that we had yesterday, so there's been no change. We still have 6 pristine 10s, 526 9.5s, 1,634 9s. So checking SGC, yesterday we had 2,141. Today we have 2,141, so no change. We still have one pristine 10 gold label, 25 pristine 10s, 25 9.5s, and 212 9s. So checking golden auctions, we have these two PSA 10 Michael Jordan rookie cards. They are both up to $200,000 with 8 days left. They also have a BGS 9.5. Low end has a 9 on the center. It's up to $51,000. They also have 4 PSA 9s, with the highest one being $42,000 and the lowest one being $30,000. All right, checking card ladder. We got a lot of new comps today, a lot of new record prices. So PSA 8 last sold for $15,000, and this was yesterday on the 22nd. Prior to that, it had sold for $14,000 on the 21st, and again $14,000 on the 20th. Prior to that, it was $14,700 on the 18th. So you can see that it's trending up to that 15K range. PSA 8.5 last sold for $25,023. So we finally got a confirmed new record sale for this card. It's been a long time coming. We haven't had data on this card for a very long time. It had been at $11,500 for the longest time. But now we got this sale that just happened yesterday for $25,023. BGS 8.5 last sold for $14,300. And that was 2 days ago. The record sale for this card is still $17,000. PSA 9, we had another huge sale, $46,000. And this just happened yesterday. But prior to that, we have this huge sale for $49,950 on the 21st. So this card is trending up towards 50K. BGS 9, we also have a new record sale for this card that's confirmed at $32,100. And that sale happened just yesterday, because prior to that, it had sold for $25,750. And the previous high sell was $29,799 back on the 17th. So this card is just on fire right now. BGS 9.5, the last sell, $52,500. But I've been seeing a few of these end on eBay without any prices. So I mean, they're ending for like listing errors and no longer available. So they're being sold privately. So we don't know what those prices are, you know. I guarantee you that they're rising in price. We do have that one that's on golden auctions for $51,000 with 8 days left. So yeah, but this last sold on the 3rd, so it's been a while. PSA 10 last sold for $222,630. This was back on the 3rd of January. But we have those two at golden auction still, and they're up to $200,000 with 8 days left. Okay, checking recently ended. We had this PSA 9. It ended on a buy it now for $48,500. Just huge, incredible price. So normally I don't highlight any sales that are below a PSA 8, but I have to show this one right here. This PSA 1 that sold for $3,250 with 27 bids. This is the lowest of the low Michael Jordan rookie card you can get. It's just incredible. I mean, the only other card that's like this is maybe the Gowdy, the 33 Gowdy Babe Ruth card and PSA 1s. But yeah, $3,250. Here we have a PSA 8 with the OC qualifier, means it's off-centered. They had it listed for $17,500, a best offer, and the best offer was $10,000. That's pretty good for a OC qualifier. Next, we have this BGS 9. It sold for buy it now, $34,999. Now we just had a confirmed new record price for this at $32,000, so we'll see if this one is confirmed or not. So we'll have an even higher price probably tomorrow. And this is the last of the higher grades that ended today. Not a lot of endings today. All right, so newly listed, we have this PSA 8 for $19,999, our best offer, 27 watchers. Here we got a BGS 8 for $16,999, our best offer. There's a PSA 9 with a OC qualifier. It's off-centered, but it's already up to $8,988 with 18 bids. Here's another PSA 8 with the OC qualifier. They got it listed for $16,500. 0 bids so far. That's the starting bid. Here's a PSA 9 for $59,999, or best offer. It has 27 watchers. Here's a PSA 8. It's already up to $15,988. 17 bids. And this is already higher than the record price that's confirmed, which is $15,000. Here's a BGS 8.5. It's already up to $10,000 with 16 bids. Here's a PSA 8.5. They got it listed for $38,999. Our best offer. Now we just saw one of these sell for $25,000. Here's a PSA 9. It's up to $11,000, 52 bids. Here's a PSA 8. They got it starting price $23,999. It has 0 bids. Also accepting offers. There's another PSA 8. It's at $16,000, or best offer. So that's a pretty good best offer price right there. Here's a PSA 9. They got it for $43,000, our best offer, 24 watchers. Now we've already had several sales that are much higher than this price, so I don't know how much longer this one's going to last. Here's a BGS 9, $75,000, our best offer. Here's a PSA 9 with the OC qualifier. It's off-centered. Looks like top to bottom. Bottom looks a little thin. They got it for $29,999, our best offer. Now we saw one of these sell for $15K already. Here's a BGS 8.5, $79,000 starting bid. Here's a BGS 8, $15,450, our best offer. Now the record price for this is $9,000. All right, checking out live auctions. We're starting with this PSA 9 with the OC qualifier. That's up to $8,988 with 18 bids. Has 2 days left. We got a BGS 8. It's up to $9,000, 40 bids, 1 day left. It's already up to the record price. Here's another BGS 8. It's up to $9,888 with 33 bids and 1 day left. So this is already over the record price. And here's a BGS 8.5. It's up to $10,000 with 16 bids. The record price for this is $17,000. Here's another BGS 8. It's up to $10,100. So this is already a new record. 19 bids, 8 days left. Here's a PSA 9. It's up to $11,000 with 52 bids, 4 days left. Now we know these are selling close to $50K. There's a PSA 8. It's up to $11,200 with 32 bids. There's another PSA 8. It's up to 12,301. 24 bids, 8 days left. There's another PSA 8. It's up to 12,600 with 40 bids and 2 days left. There's another PSA 8. It's up to 12,600 as well with 32 bids. 6 days left on that one. There's another PSA 8. It's up to 13,047 bids. 3 days left. There's another PSA 8. It's up to 13,100 with 31 bids. This has just 3 hours left. There's a BGS 9. It's up to 13,639 bids. 5 days left. So this is like a huge bargain right now. And I think it has a lot to do with them covering up this certification number. I don't know what's the deal with that, but this seller has a lot of feedback and it's 100%. So, you know. Here's the SGC 9. It's up to 14,400, 17 bids, 8 days left. Here's a PSA 8. 15,250 starting bid. Has 0 bids, 2 days left. Here's a PSA 8. It's up to 15,988 with 17 bids, 9 days left. So it's already surpassed this card with no bids. So it might be something to look at. There's another PSA 8 with no bids. Its starting price is 16,500 with 2 days left. There's a PSA 9. It's up to 22,600, 40 bids. Still has 8 days left. And these have been selling close to 50K. There's a PSA 8 starting bid, 23,999, but it has 0 bids, 6 days left. Here's a BGS 9, has 295s on the subs. It's up to 25,200, 44 bids, just 1 day left. There's a PSA 9, it's up to 25,518, 6 bids, 5 days left. Here's a PSA 9. It's up to 27,100. 38 bids, 8 days left. And here's another PSA 9. It's up to 28,100. 54 bids. And here's another one. 36,600. 62 bids. This one only has a day left. So this is going to be a really interesting watch. There's another PSA 9. It's up to 39,400. 185 bids, so he must have started this one at like 99 cents. There's a PSA 9. It's up to $40,000. 18 bids. Still has 5 days left. This is Probstein. Here's a SGC 9.5. It's up to 44,122 with 30 bids. Now the record price for this card is around 35,000. So this will be really interesting to see what this does. Okay, checking on our high ends, the 9.5s and above. Here we got this BGS 9.5 for $76,000. Then it has a 9 on the corners. Here's another BGS 9.5 for $100,000 or best offer, 39 watchers. It has a 9 on the centering. Here's another BGS 9.5 for $110 or best offer, 232 watchers. And this one has a 9 on the edges. Here's 2 BGS 9.5s. These are quad 9.5s. They got them for $150K or best offer. Here's another BGS 9.5 paired up with a BGS 9.5 sticker. This one has a 9 on the surface, $174,000 or best offer. Here's another BGS 9.5 for $200,000. Buy it now. This one has a 9 on the surface. And here's 2 more from PWCC for $200,000. Our best offer. This is a quad 9.5, and this one on the top has a 9 on the surface. We also have this pair of BGS 9.5s for $185,000. Our best offer, 48 watchers. And these have 9 sub on the edges here and 9 on the corners on this one. All right, so checking on the PSA 10s. We still have this one here for $349,000. Buy it now. 114 watchers. And we still have this one here, this one at PWCC Vault for $750,000, or best offer. 546 watchers. So, you know, we got those two that are at Golden Auction. They're up to $200,000. With the buyer's premium, it's gonna be even more. And I expect those to probably be around $300,000 after you add the buyer's premium. So, you know, good offer for this might be, you know, between $250 and $300, but that's if they accept, you know. So in summary today, PSA 10, the record sold price is $222,630. We have two PSA 10s that are on live auction right now, up to $200,000 at Golden Auctions. The record selling price for the BGS 9.5 is $92,600. We currently have one up to $51,000 at Golden Auctions, and it's a low end. It has a 9 on the centering. And PSA 9, the record price now is $49,950. We currently have one up to $42,000 at Golden Auctions. BGS 9, the record sell price is $32,100. We currently have one that's on live auction up to $25,200. PSA 8.5, the new record price is $25,023. We currently do not have one on live auction. BGS 8.5, the record price $17,000. We currently have one that's up to $10,000. PSA 8, the record price confirmed sell is $15,000. We currently have one that's up to $15,988. BGS 8, the confirmed price record sell is $9,000. We currently have one that's up to $10,100. All right, so Michael Jordan collectors, this was my market report for today. I hope you found this video helpful. And I would just like to take a second and thank all of my subscribers for your support. And if you guys have any suggestions or maybe things that I can do better or things that you want to see, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And for you guys that have not subscribed, please subscribe. And I will see you in the next Michael Jordan Rookie Card Market Report.